So I'm on my way to the scrapyard this morning. It's actually a beautiful day. See if we can make some money. I got some cast iron radiators in the back of the truck, and my little trailer just full with some tin stuff, not, you know, a huge amount of stuff, but hoping to make a few $100 today. Might actually be interesting to see what we actually make, but stay tuned. Okay, driving across the scale, see what our weight is. I don't know if you could see that with the sun. 11,960 pounds. So we'll see what the tin weighs first. We'll unload the trailer and then we'll rescale, get our weight on that, and then we'll unload our short steel pile into this big ugly pile over here. We'll see what we get. Okay, so this is our tin load. This is what we'll be dumping off right now. And in the back of the truck, cast iron radiators. Hi.
Yeah, me too.
You got Rob up in the loader. It's gonna be a great day. Alright, so coming out, we're weighing 10,440. So we'll see what we weigh, or see what that pays us at the end. Well, that was quick. They used a magnet to unload all those cast iron radiators out of the back. Whew. Really helped save me. Alright, weight coming off with the short steel was 8,480. So we'll see what it pays me. So today just got a little more interesting. Okay, so I had 1,500 pounds of tin, $135. That was just the washing machines and appliances on the trailer. And then short steel, I had just under a ton, so 1,960 pounds, and it was $234.50, which would be a total of $369, just on a little bit of stuff I had in my truck. But like I said, it just got interesting because I just got a call from a guy, and he's got a load of stuff, water heaters and some other crap. So we're gonna go pick that up. We got about 2 hours here. I gotta go home, switch. I'm gonna grab my tripod and everything. Maybe I'll film myself loading it onto the trailer. I might be back for another load. It might be another $500-600 day slaying them out here today. So hey, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna add more to this video. I'll make it probably about 10 minutes long if I can. We'll see what we do, but if not, it'll be another upload. So if you want to know what that pays out to be today, look at this guy junking cars, man. It's like the Wild West out here, man. Get busy living or get busy dying. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. I'll see you guys later. Sometimes you just gotta enjoy the little things.